It's all you and yourself. So get motivated. According to Prof. 1, every individual owns a portion of life where accomplishment can be made by oneself. That is, every individual has his ability and also owns a degree of positive sharp brain that is said to be smartness. Every individual owns a degree of a positive sharp brain, which is smartness, that could be used to accomplish a task by oneself. However, you are encouraged to know yourself, understand yourself, and find yourself. You shall appreciate yourself. Speaking further, knowing yourself is about getting to know what you can do and what you cannot do. You should know that I can do this, but with this, I am unable to. Understanding yourself is you getting to know that, okay, this is what I can do, and this is the extent I can reach. This is the level I can do it up to. That is you understanding yourself. And finding yourself is about knowing the way forward to build up on what you can do and correct what you are unable to, and build upon what you are unable to. Find yourself and you shall appreciate yourself.